Are you looking for the pickleball paddles? In this video, we will look at some of the 7 pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VINSGUIR Pickleball Paddle Set. It sounds like you're describing the VINSGUIR Pickleball Paddle Set. This set includes 2 lightweight fiberglass paddles, which are approved by the USAPA, USA Pickleball Association, making it suitable for official play. The paddles feature a honeycomb core for better control and power, which is ideal for beginners who are just starting with the game. The set also includes 4 pickleballs and a carrying bag for convenience, making it a great gift option for anyone looking to dive into pickleball. Is there something specific you'd like to know about this paddle set? Or are you thinking about getting it? Number 2. Pickleball Paddle Set. It sounds like you're describing another pickleball paddle set that's also USAPA approved and comes with fiberglass surface paddles. This set is designed for both men and women and is a great option for players of all skill levels. The fiberglass surface typically offers a nice balance of power and control, making it easier to get a good feel for the ball, especially for beginners. These types of sets generally come with a pair of paddles, rackets, pickleballs, and possibly a bag or additional accessories. USAPA approval ensures that the paddles meet the standards required for competitive play. Would you like help finding more details about it, or are you deciding between a few options? Number 3. Newpo Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. It seems like you're looking at the Newpo Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. This set is USAPA approved, so it's officially recognized for competitive play. The Pro Graphite surface offers a good combination of strength and lightweight feel, which helps with control and precision while playing. The polypropylene honeycomb core enhances durability and provides a good balance of power and control for the players. The 4.72-inch cushion grip ensures comfort during play, making it easier to hold for longer periods without straining your hand. The set includes 4 pickleballs and a portable bag/paddle cover, which is convenient for storage and transport. This set is great for players of all levels, especially those looking for a durable and comfortable option. Are you considering this set or comparing it to others? Number 4. BAGAIL Pickleball Paddles Set. The BAGAIL Pickleball Paddles Set you're looking at features USAPA-approved paddles with a fiberglass surface, making them suitable for official play. The paddles are designed to be lightweight, which is great for easy maneuverability, especially for beginners or those who prefer a more agile feel during the game. The set includes 4 pickleballs and 1 bag, making it a complete package for players who want to get into the sport. The paddles are designed to provide good traction and stability, ensuring solid control and consistent performance on the court. The fact that it's designed in California could also mean it reflects some quality standards and innovation. This set seems like a solid choice for anyone starting out with pickleball or looking for an affordable quality set. Is this the one you're leaning toward, or are you exploring different options? Number 5. GARYE Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. The GARYE Pickleball Paddles Set of 2 you're considering is another great option. This set features USAPA-approved carbon fiber paddles, which are known for being incredibly durable and providing excellent power and control. The lightweight graphite construction ensures that the paddles are easy to handle, making it ideal for both beginners and more advanced players who want quick maneuverability on the court. The set includes 6 pickleballs and a pickleball bag, which makes it easy to transport everything you need for a game. With 2 paddles, it's perfect for playing doubles or sharing with a friend. The fact that this set is designed for both men and women makes it versatile and widely accessible. If you're looking for high-quality paddles with great performance, this set is definitely a strong contender. Do you have any specific preferences or features you're looking for in a pickleball set? Number 6. Pickleball Paddles Set of 2/4. It looks like you're describing the Pickleball Paddles Set of 2/4 again, which sounds like a fantastic option for players looking to get started with pickleball. This set includes 2 paddles, 4 pickleballs, and a portable carry bag, offering all the essentials needed to enjoy the game. The graphite/fiberglass paddles provide a solid combination of control and durability, making them great for both beginners and those with some experience. The USAPA approval ensures that the paddles meet the standards required for competitive play, so you know you're getting quality. Plus, the aesthetic design adds a fun and stylish touch to the game. Whether you're playing with friends or just practicing on your own, This set seems like a great way to dive into pickleball. Is this set what you were looking for, or do you need more details to make your decision? Number 7. Paddletek Bantam TKO-C 14.3mm Pickleball Paddles. The Paddletek Bantam TKO-C 14.3mm Pickleball Paddles are a high-quality option for those who want precision, control, and power in their game. Here's a breakdown of its features. Polymer honeycomb core. This core is known for its durability and ability to absorb impact, offering excellent control and a softer feel compared to other core materials like Nomex. Unidirectional carbon fiber surface. The carbon fiber surface enhances ball control and provides a solid feel with every strike. It also helps reduce vibration, which can be important for comfort during long matches. Torsional weighting. This feature helps with the paddle's overall stability, minimizing twisting on off-center hits. It ensures that the paddle performs consistently, even when the ball isn't hit perfectly in the sweet spot. High-tack performance grip. The grip is designed to offer superior traction, ensuring a firm hold, which is crucial for control and comfort during long rallies. USAPA approved. Since it's USAPA approved, it meets the standards required for official pickleball play. 5.25-inch handle. This is a relatively long handle, offering extra leverage for more powerful shots and making it comfortable for players with larger hands or those who prefer a two-handed grip. The Bantam TKO-C paddle is excellent for players looking for a high-performance paddle that combines control, power, and comfort. Whether you're an intermediate or advanced player, this paddle offers great versatility. Are you considering getting this paddle, or do you need more info about how it compares to other paddles?